All right, guys. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. We are in the house. Welcome to Paper Phenomenon. Exciting times, guys. I'm super duper excited. My stomach is growling. I'm hungry. Thank goodness my microphone is not so sensitive that you can't hear it. It's distracting me. I'm going to start with the fabulous Janice because I have to. All right, changing the camera view. I got goosebumps. Ta-da! Here it is. No, kidding. This is collaboration project Paper Phenomenon, Janice Freeman, and it's called Warm and Cozy. Look at this project. Is it not amazing? I got goosebumps, seriously. You can remove the little fireplace thingy, the little thing, and it's got a light. Look. Let's see if you can see the magic. Oh, the camera doesn't show the magic. Oh, you can see a little bit. You see it? You see it? You see it? You see it? I know. Isn't this amazing? Look at all of the detail here, guys. So Janice just does, for Janice, we do tutorial only, no tutorial video combo. But if you love a paper phenomenon tutorial, you'll be able to make this. You will not need videos, I promise. Okay, promise. So this one is called Warm and Cozy in my shop right now. All right, so let me show you the sides. Okay, all of the papers and stuff, guys. She used my Merry and Bright collection. The marble paper is from the internet. She did a Google search and she found a marble pattern, printed it out, slapped it on the project. But the pattern paper that you see here is Merry and Bright. And look at that, guys. Look at that. It's just beautiful. It does have a memory keeping book. Do you guys remember the Lapbook? Do you remember the Lapbook? Well, Janice made a mini Lapbook of her very own. It's gorgeous, guys. Look at this. Any details? You guys need any details? So did you miss that? This opens up right here. Whoopsie. And you get your Lapbook out of here. It's kind of like a folio, but the idea came from homeschoolers. They call it a Lapbook, and that's where I got the whole inspiration from. But Miss Janice Freeman made her own. By the way, that Lapbook, the original Lapbook that I made, is a free tutorial online. Okay, just so you know, in YouTube. So look at this, guys. Look at this. Loaded this little file folder with all sorts of goodies, little dangling things. Just so gorgeous, guys. I'm not going to pull everything out because I'll be here forever. But it's just photos, pocket cards, embellishments that you get in the paper collection, Merry and Bright. You can pick it up digitally. Oh, this way, this way. Look at the distressing that she did here is with white paint. Do you see that? How fabulous that is? I love it. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So we've got some fun little bells here. I got to tell you a story about bells. And about bells. Super funny, but I'll show you that with my project. Look at that. How cute. Oh my gosh, I hope you can hear it. So Merry and Bright, my friends, this is magnetized. Let me put this back because then I'll forget. So this is done with the punch board. This really cute edge here. And then we've got this look over here. Ooh, we've got some metal tags. This is new. I love this, Janice. Metal. Look at that. How fun. How fun is that? And then, so that's a little open, a little flap right here. And then Oh my, I'm looking at this for the first time with you guys. Okay, so forgive me that I'm kind of uh, finding my way through this gorgeous lap book. Look at that. You know, I like looking at it with you together, right? So look, gorgeous. Again, note the distressing around this, guys. It's paint. It's so beautiful. Let me come in close. Can you guys really see how beautiful that looks? Look at that. If you can see it, if you can get it in the camera, let me know. Because sometimes I see things differently than you do. Look at how cute. It's beautiful, my friends. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. And then we've got some ornaments here. Let's put this back, Kathy, before you lose everything. Put this back. Or not lose it. I don't know where it goes. So that opens up there with some more tags and places for photos. There's another flap here that opens up. And we've got a stack pocket over here with some more goodies. This paper, guys, is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. If you don't have this paper yet, hello. You need to do something about that. I love this. Uh, I may have to duplicate that. I love that idea. Love it. So another stack pocket here. Look at that, how fabulous. Some more pockets here. Ah! Shaker photo mats with a pocket. I love it. And did you do the patch style? I can't tell. Yep, I believe so. Yep, frame, frame, frame. Love, love, love. So really low on the profile here, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Gives a frosty, snowy texture. Yes, it's beautiful. I love it. You guys know I'm a plain Jane crafter, so I would never do that, right? So this is why I love seeing the design team, what they do. Even the photo mats have paint around them. Look at how cute. I love it so much. It's just gorgeous. So we've got shaker photo mats. Here is some more flippity doodahs. How beautiful. Of course, room for the 4x6 photo. I sound like a broken record all the time. Look at that, guys. Look at this freaking paper, how gorgeous that is. It's stunning, seriously. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And then, of course, Janice makes it even look more stunning. And now we open. Oh, hold on a minute. This is a trifold, an accordion fold. Hold on a minute. Look at that. Look, 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 look. The shaker photo mats are amazing, guys. They're amazing. We've been all over the shaker photo mats. They're fantastic. So I didn't miss anything here. Did I miss something? I did miss something here. Look at this deconstructed envelope, my friends. How fabulous, with loose goodies in here. Shaker photo mats are the bomb. I'm totally dating myself. I need a hipper word. Somebody tell me something more hip. Something more hip than the bomb, because I'm dating myself. Love the encore look of this envelope. So we've got it twice here, guys. So fab, so fab, so fab. And look at this shallow pocket. It is beautiful. What am I missing here? I'm not missing anything. I think I got it all. Yep. And I showed you this. Okay, fantastic. I just want to be sure. My first time navigating it. I don't want you to miss a thing. So look at that. Oh, this is what I'm missing. We've got a waterfall here. I love, again, that paint. I love it. It's so beautiful. So I want to make it very clear, my friends, this is a collaboration between Janice Freeman and Paper Phenomenon. Okay, so this is a Janice Freeman, whoopsie. Janice Freeman Warm and Cozy. Look at that, guys. How fab is that? And it's so cute. So cute to hold. Let's talk about measurements here. It's a 9 by roughly under 7 inches. Under 7 inches. And the cute little loose, don't we love loose things here? Look, this loose thing for photo mats, just so fun. So much fun. Janice, you outdid yourself, honey. It is stunning. Let me show you this again. Go to paperphenomenon.com and look up Merry and Bright, and you can pick up the paper. And the tutorial, I love these little chipboard stockings. And there is a light here, guys. You really can't see it, but if it shows, it really flickers. By the way, Janice, Faith loves your project. She takes this out and turns the light on and off because she wants to see it. She thinks it's so much fun. She loves it. I want to put it in her room, but I won't. And it's beautifully finished on the back. It's gorgeous, guys. Look at all the detail up here. This is just chipboard, guys. These are chipboard. These are embellishments from the paper collection. These are florals that you can get at Michael's. And this is one of those wooden spools. Not the spools. In the wooden section at Hobby Lobby, you can get those. Look at this. I'm going to say that you made this little sack here because it's just burlap folded over and probably sewn at the bottom. More embellishments from the paper collection. Miniature, what are these? Pine cones. Did you collect these from your backyard? So this is embellishment. A tree topper from one of the mini trees. And look at this, how cute this little can with some more, see, greenery. Just stuff it in there. How cute. Or the pail. I said can, the pail. And it's just gorgeous, guys. You know, lots of layering. Just absolutely adorable. Janice, man, what a fun surprise. This is beautiful. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys pick up this tutorial and you make it, and I hope you show it off on the Facebook page so everybody else gets to enjoy your version of it. All right, my friends, I'm out of here. My stomach is grumbling. I'm so hungry. Bye.